Viewers, in this video we'll see the solved problem for reduction of switching equation using Boolean algebra simplification method. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the first problem. It is given P plus Q plus R into P bar plus Q bar plus R bar into P. Right? So this is a given problem. We need to simplify this given expression. Now we'll multiply all the terms so that we can go for further simplification. First we'll take P. P is multiplied with this term. So that P bar, P Q bar, P into R bar. Then multiply Q with this. Q into P bar, Q bar, Q into R bar. Now multiply the R into P bar, R into Q bar, R into R bar. So one more P is available outside, right? So the P is multiplied with all three terms, Q is multiplied with all three terms, R is multiplied with all three terms. So the 9 terms are available. Now we'll go for the further simplification. P bar is 0. We know that A into A bar equal to 0. Based on that, P bar is 0, right? Then P Q bar plus P R bar plus Q P bar. Here Q bar is available, that is also 0. Q R bar plus R P bar plus R Q bar. Here R bar is available, that is also 0, right? The three terms become 0. Now we will multiply this P inside, right? So that we can go for further simplification. So P into P Q bar, P R bar, P Q P bar, P Q R bar, P R P bar, P R Q bar, right? The P is multiplied in the inside, or all the 9 terms there, in that 3 terms become remaining 6 terms multiplied with P. Now we'll go for further simplification, right? So P into P, Q is nothing, P into P is nothing but only one time we can write as P. Here also P into P is P into R bar. Here P Q R bar is written as it is, plus P Q R bar is available 2 times. So no need to write 2 times, only one time is enough. Plus P R P bar, P into P bar is 0. This term becomes 0. A into A bar is 0, so that P into P bar is 0. The remaining P R Q bar, right? So this P is now reduced, this P also reduced. Here 2 terms available, similar terms available, so we need to write only one term. Here P into P bar become 0, right? So the 6 terms available now reduced to 4 terms. One term is 0, this term available 2 times, so that it is reduced to 4 terms. Now we'll go for the further simplification, right? So what we can do, P Q bar plus P R bar plus Q R bar plus P Q R. So these are all the terms available. We'll take this P Q bar outside. Here P Q bar available in first term and fourth term, right? Here also P Q bar available, here also P Q bar available. If we take P Q bar available outside, we have only 1. Here if you take P Q bar available outside, we have term R, right? So 1 plus R, so this is not P, is 1 plus R, right? Now in this second and third term, P R bar is taken outside. If we take P R bar outside, it is 1. Here P R bar is taken outside, means it is Q, right? So first and fourth term P Q bar is taken outside, so we got 1 plus R. Second and third term P R bar is taken outside, what we have? 1 plus Q. What is 1 plus Q, 1 plus R? 1 plus A equal to 1. Any variable added with 1 will give 1 only. So based on that, this term is 1, this term also 1. So what we have? P Q bar plus P R bar. So this is the final answer. The final answer will be P Q bar plus P R bar. So the given expression is simplified like this. So what we did, we multiplied all the term inside, then we simplified. P bar means 0. P available 2 times means we can write 1 time. Then these variables are taken outside. We use the property 1 plus a equal to 1. Based on that, it is simplified further. Now we'll go to the second problem. So in the second problem, it is given x, y, z plus x bar y plus x, y, z bar. So that is written here. Now we need to take the common terms outside so that we can go for further simplification. So in the first and third term, xy is available commonly. So we'll take xy outside. So if you take xy outside, the remaining term is z. Similarly, if you take xy outside, the remaining term is z bar. The second term x bar y, right? First and third term we taken xy outside, so we have z plus z bar. The second term is written as it is. What is z plus z bar? A plus a bar equal to always 1. So that z plus z bar equal to 1. So what we have? Xy plus x bar y, right? So in these two terms we can take the y outside. Y available in both the terms. So we can take y outside. If you take y outside, the remaining term is x. If you take y outside, remaining term is x bar. What is x plus x bar? Same thing. A plus a bar is 1. So that this term become 1. So only we have y. So the answer will be y, right? So what we did, we take the common terms x, y outside, then it becomes 0. Again y, we had taken y outside. Finally we got the answer as y. So in this video we discussed the simplification of Boolean expression by Boolean algebra, simplification of switching equation by Boolean algebra, simplification method. We solved 2 problems. Some more problem also available. Separate videos are available. The link is given in the description box. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.